When it comes to travelling, just for the weekend, 4 days, 5 days, short trips, there's one thing that we all hate, and it's packing. What do you pack? When do you pack? How do we pack? When we're going away, what goes into my bag? Let's find out, shall we? So hygiene is not only something you say to the woman that walks past you at the Asda. It's also important so we don't stink. So I have a little Gymshark bag, mini roll-on deodorant, travel toothbrush, it's a nightmare to open, travel toothpaste, Ted Baker face balm, do you know, seen my face, gotta look after it, moisturiser, because I'm 37, I've got the skin of a 60-year-old, and shower gel. Don't know where to put my shampoo. So we have a little Gymshark man bag, and I use this to put my passport in. A portable charger, which charges my phone to 100% 4 times over. Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses, and my Samsung Buds earphones. I also put my tickets in there, and my bank card. Donations accepted. Due to me taking a lot of gadgets everywhere I go, I have this, and it's perfect to put anything in. So I have my battery portable charger in there. This is the second one. A selfie stick. I love a good selfie. I'm not a fan of filters though, and I don't like dog ears. And a smaller package with an action camera inside, fully waterproof, because I like to get some good shots and videos with it. Please go to the vending machine, pay for the bags, go 10 minutes to the back of the queue, stand in the queue, wait for me to scan your stuff again, tell you it's fine, tell you it isn't a drug, and pass you it and let you move on. What a waste of time. I take a phone charger, a couple of travel adapters, which is handy. A little trick if you go for more than a weekend, if you go for a week, take an extension lead, plug it into the adapter, and one adapter gives you up to 5 sockets. Then obviously I take the Pocket 3, which I'm recording on, with its case and battery handle, so I never run out of juice, because I can go all night then. Now I'm first to admit, I love a proper bargain. This is just from Home and Bargain, and it was about £7. It's safe to carry with EasyJet, Ryanair, and all the low budget airlines, because as you know, I think everybody knows, when you're queuing up for a flight, they just love to fine you. How do I manage to travel so often? Easy. I've got contacts. I think that's everything packed. I've forgotten nothing. Never mind. I've got it. That's basically everything summed up. So if there's any questions, if you've got any tips for me or anything at all, please do reach out. Once you've spent hundreds of pounds on the gadgets, hundreds of pounds on flights, hundreds of pounds on the accommodation, all that's left to take is to spend the money. That's me sorted. That's me all packed, son. Are you ready? Are you packed? Ready to go?
Dad, my hand luggage is done.